Okay, hello and thank you for taking the time to check out this quick video about the DentalAce price check function. My name is Emil Nadev and as one of the co-founders of our platform, I'm going to spend 5 to 10 minutes to quickly introduce you to our price check function and explain to you how to use it, when to use it, and what kind of benefit you can get from it. So as a patient, you would most likely start your DentalAce journey on our homepage. You would click on the Find Your Dentist button. You would click on the Book Now button right here to get to the dentist list. So on this dentist list, you could pick any one of our dentists to book an appointment with. So let's go with Dr. Reinhoff, who's listed first here. And the price check function in question that we're going to cover is accessible via this button right here. And you can access it for each and every one of our dentists and essentially send individual price level requests. Also, you can click on this little info button. That will trigger a little pop-up. And this pop-up, as is seen here, contains a little description of how to use this price check function and when. So I'm going to cover it verbally, but just know that in case of further questions, there's this information button for you as well. So say you would like to book a procedure with Dr. Reinhoff, but you want to check first if he can perform it at your budget. So you would click on the price check button. That will take you to this brief little form. On this form, you would essentially pick the procedure of your choice. In this case, let's just pick a dental cleaning. And then in the insurance info, you would select whichever insurance carrier you have, or whether you want to see a dentist of choice or a private practitioner. So those are the two options that I'll just pick in this case. You could also open up this little optional tab where you can put in a request title and a description. So say I'm going to put in interest in dental cleaning. And the description will be very simple: price level check. Okay, so now I'm done with the first step. I'm going to click on continue. The second step is very simple. You just have to enter the maximum budget that you can afford for the procedure. So say we can put in 75 euros. And you can also click on the orientation prices button, which includes the price list from the Austrian Dental Chamber. And this list essentially is an amalgamation of the price levels in the country, and it shows you the average price level for each procedure. So for a dental cleaning, the average price is 91 euros. Now, if I put in 91 euros, chances are that, at the average price level, I would get a pretty positive response. However, say I have a budget that is a little more limited, I can always put in 75 and ask Dr. Reinhoff whether he would be willing to perform this procedure for me on a one-off confidential basis at this price level. So I would accept the terms and conditions. I would click on preview, and here I would check all of my inputs. Procedure, insurance, again, the information that I would like to pass on to the dentist. So I'm interested in the cleaning and I want to check a price level. Obviously the price level in question itself, and then I would click on submit request, and then the doctor would either reject or accept my request, and whichever the case is, you would receive a confirmation or a denial email in your mailbox. And say the doctor accepted your request at 75 euros, you could always then go back to his DentalAce profile and pick any free appointment of your choice. So let's say October 1st at 2 p.m. You would click here to select this appointment, and that will take you to a quick appointment setup form. So dental cleaning is already pre-populated. You click on continue. You check the inputs, they look all right. You accept the TNCs and you click on book appointment and you're all set. So this very quick and simple process allows you to not only secure, an appointment at the time you desire with the dentist you need, but at the same time, you can walk into that appointment with, full confidence and knowledge of the price that you're going to pay for the procedure. So in other words, that creates an additional layer of transparency and, puts you at ease when you walk into the appointment, because that's one more question that is, clarified beforehand. So hopefully you found this little overview interesting and insightful. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or via the contact form on our website, which is accessible here via support, and then any questions. And again, hopefully this was intuitive enough, and we hope to help you during your upcoming dentist search. And until then, we wish you all the best, and thanks again for tuning in.